Estuaries at low tide give a wealth of different places to explore and forage, and a whole load of different sort of places right next to each other at different depths where you have different types of plants and things going on. Like down here, you've got seaweed, and up there, you've got kind of like a salty meadow, and up here, you've got this really tall estuary grass stuff, which is like a forest and just very, very tall, and it grows on its little niche on the side of the estuary here. Massive load of debris left by recent storms being washed up on the side of the beach, all the bits of tree that have been washed down rivers. And there's quite a few little bits of holes and boggy bits and bits to look out for. Um, and sort of down here, you got just tons of seaweed. Seaweed's very good, rotted down as a fertilizer for the garden. You can sort of eat it in small quantities or some types of it. And it's got little vesicles which are good to squish and apply for various medicinal uses. So seaweed has lots of uses. It's very good, sort of just broken down into a compost. Um, and yeah, when the sea goes out fully, there's lots of mud and just a little bit of water left in the middle, and all this is underwater when the tide comes in. And up here you've got a kind of like a kind of meadowy bit, which is like almost all sea purslane, which is an interesting plant. You can eat the leaves, the flowers, and the stems. I think it's vile, but it's good for inflammation and digestive problems. And yeah, it's quite up here, totally different. You see into this high salt marsh grass. The water comes up, I don't know, a few feet deep there. And there's quite a lot of things that actually grow in it. There's this German chamomile, there's mustard, there's sea asters, all sorts of things. And then down on this other environment of this kind of short grass bit, you get all kinds of different things growing there. Sea plantains, all types of interesting plants growing here. And on the mud flats, you get samphire in places, and just quite a lot of plants that you can eat that grow here, although a lot of them do taste quite salty. But yeah, there's a lot of different environments. When the tide is out, there's so many different places to explore, and there's loads of this driftwood to collect, and all sorts of things here at an estuary.